I am Dr. Viviana Cuberos. I am the owner of Arcadia Medical Group in Naples. I came for the workshop and it was a great experience. I recommend this to everybody at any point of your business. If you're just planning to open your business right now, come and get all these great information. Is going to be very useful. If you're in the middle of the process of your business, you need this. And even if you think you are, very advanced and very profitable in your business, you still need to get this information. Will help you to grow your practice. Will help you. Will teach you how to handle your leads. Will teach you how to make the most with whatever you already have in your practice. So strongly recommended for everybody. It's a great experience. The structure, the way how the content is developed, make it easy to understand, easy to remember. Very, very, very recommended. Great experience.